Well, alright, so this is how we're about to start this video. My camera wasn't working, so I just smacked it against some shit, and Connor doesn't believe that it works.
He literally went like this, and it worked.
Swear to God. But we're about to go wash the rigs. So, yeah.
Fucking work. I forgot to take this, so I'm taking it now. Schmello.
Can't get enough of that fat ass exhaust tip. Connor, chubby doinker head ass, about to go wash his shit. I'm about to go wash my shit. We lit. Can't even hear my truck over the scab. Or the scab, whatever the fuck. I don't even know. We just make fun of it, call it a bunch of different names. It's clapped. It's not actually clapped. I'm about to do a pull with the new exhaust for y'all. So, yeah, I'll get back to y'all when we hit the wash. Me and Connor. We are here. Hell yeah, bro. Bro, you hear that backfire when I popped up in here? That shit was loud as hell.
Okay. So, you got the car wash. Black man's over here.
So yeah, about to wash the Ranger. Look at that. Look at that tip. Alright, we're about to wash this John.
Tell me, you come, and I'll film you wash your truck.
Alright, some dude can't pull up behind me, so I didn't get any shots of me filming, but drift trucks, all clean. Connor's Saabs, all clean. Ooh, when them wheels actually white again, that's what's up. I'm about to dry it off, and then I don't know, we'll go from there. Connor's about to start the scab, so let's listen to this. Hell yeah, but look at this beautiful ass truck. Alright, I'm about to dry it off.
So yeah,
Ranger's all dry. She's looking sexy as hell. Not sexy, but you know, drift missile, drift truck, the scab. Look at Connor. Connor ass over there doing YouTube things. He's got the panty dropper right here.
I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do.
Meth?
Yeah, something like that.
Shit, you know. But yeah. I don't know. We're about to go get into some shit, I guess. Alright, so me and Connor never did nothing after we washed our car, or well, after I washed my truck and he washed his car, because my headlight went out. But yeah, so I don't know, today's video is kind of short, shitty. I'm just trying to upload more, so yeah, I don't know. I got clutch right here. Actually, I'm trying to do it this week. I got the new clutch for the Ranger, so, and throwout bearing, because if you ever heard the Ranger, you throw a bearing. It's like you can hear that bitch clunk. That's gone. Clutch is pretty fricked because I learned how to drive stick on it and I beat the living hell out of it. So yeah. So till next video, deuces.